Hi everyone, it's Richard again at Alnwick Castle. I just want to get Steve Humes, that's Steve in shot there, look, just coming down, and we'll get some others as they come as well. So we're here today at Alnwick Castle, where in aid of charity, the People's Kitchen, there's a charity Abseil event going on. So that's you might have seen this yesterday. There's the castle roof. It's a great setup, and it's been run and managed by Adventure Northumberland. Let's just get Steve in first, actually. He's done a great job there. And then the next ones are getting clipped on as we see. Safety at the top, paramount. So there's a brilliant system at the top there. So people have to be helmeted up before they go onto the bottom of the staircase. Because it's a very steep spiral staircase, very close, not much room to manoeuvre. So for head safety, because there's a number of things that jut out and differ in angles, everyone goes up in a helmet, they're ready harnessed, and as they get to the top, before they get anywhere near that edge, then they're already clipped on. Before they step onto the scaffold platform, they're clipped onto the safety line. Then they're allowed to move forward to where they're then, while still connected to the safety line, they're clipped on to the main actual fall line, the orange one that you can see there. And then they lean back and down they come. And obviously Steve has done it before because he wasn't scared at all. How was it, Steve? Steve, I got you on the. Is that okay to have you on the video and that? It was a good. It was a good descent. That.
Even the bit where I got my finger stuck. Right?
Well, I missed that one, so that's all good. Nice job, man. And then they'll be clipping the next one on as we speak, and I'll keep the video going so you can see that. Yeah, we got lucky. So the weather stayed nice. I'll give you. You probably saw this yesterday, but we're in the main grounds here at Alnwick Castle. Over there is where the archery takes place. It'll be open to the public now. At 10 o'clock, it opens to the public. It's quieting down quite a bit now because all the kids have gone back to school. So the visitor numbers are down, but it's been a really busy season. You know, there's been thousands and thousands of people coming through. You know, on some days, a couple of thousand people plus. So it's been a great busy season. Let's see who's getting clipped on. There's the team who've organised it there. It's Jenny from the events team who's in charge of today, making sure it all happens. More volunteers by the look of it coming down to get harnessed and helmeted up. I think she's getting ready to go over now. Let's get in on that. These people who are going off first, they've done it many times before, which is, I think, why they volunteered to go first. Good position, look. Big smiley face, obviously enjoyed it. Brilliant, so there we go. Just what we'll do before before we leave them to it, give you a quick view of where we are. So that's the Abseil. That's that up there. What a brilliant job. So the people at Adventure Northumberland, Michael, Patrick and Colette, brilliant team. The setup, safety paramount. So we've had a number of chats over the previous week. We've done pre-use checks. We had the scaffold inspectors back out this morning to do their final checks and sign that off. Then, of course, leading by example, Michael, once the rig was set up, everyone was happy with the rope configurations, etc. He went down first to be the tester, and everyone's happy. So it's going to be a great day. There's a steady flow of people going on throughout the day, and here we are. Look, this is where we are. So we're at Alnwick Castle. That's the main castle behind me. I might have mentioned this before. You know, it's the second largest inhabited castle behind Buckingham Palace, actually. So the Duke of Northumberland and his family live there for certain parts of the year, and then when they're not in residence, then it's open to the public, and the Duke and his family go off to one of their other residences, either in the UK or elsewhere around the world. But it's a wonderful place. You can see, look at the countryside around us, look at the surroundings. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got the sheep grazing today. Oh, and something else of interest, actually. Let's get that in shot. So you can see the red hoarding behind me there. So that's a brand new hotel. So it's called Bailiff Gate Hotel. A very smart, high-end hotel, built from scratch by the Duke of Northumberland and the estate. So it's wholly owned by the estate. There'll be a management company in running the hotel. That's going to open in the non too distant. Actually, it's very, very well advanced now, not far from opening actually. So right on the outskirts of Alnwick Castle, Bailiff Gate Hotel, wonderful place. And of course, that's going to be really, really busy. And in particular, being so close to the attraction of Alnwick Castle and Alnwick itself, which is a wonderful place. It's going to be a busy hotel. Well, I hope that's been of interest to everybody. This is going to go out on my general LinkedIn feed, and also I'll stick it on the Gen Dit as well. But yeah, that's me. That's Richard Wade here at Alnwick Castle at the start of the Abseil, charity Abseil for the People's Kitchen charity. Gonna sign off, leave you to your business. I hope you have a great weekend. This one's got off to a great start. Safety, as always, #1 priority on everything that goes on in and around Northumberland Estate. Health and safety, safety of people, visitors, members of the public, members of contracting teams, full-time staff, part-time staff, agency staff, it doesn't matter. Whoever is involved in the castle, any stakeholders in any capacity, safety is the #1 priority. So that's me signing out. Have yourselves a fantastic weekend. Take care. Bye for now.